listening to all of the testimony, and granted, it is indeed a circumstantial case. The testimony, and counsel seems a bit confused because I'm not taking it as substantive testimony that he had that gun. It was what the officers did afterwards. There's a clear dividing line on that. And if you do the analysis, then it's what the officers do afterwards that leads to what happens. And so when that occurs, they're investigating this person. This person is fleeing from them, or at least resisting the officer's attempts to stop him. He travels a certain path. They travel, ultimately, they search that same path. There is a weapon found. There's a holster on him. As to whether or not it was ultimately concealed, it's a question of fact. As to whether or not he was in possession of it, counsel, you make great arguments, but they're arguments for trial. They're not arguments for this type of proceeding. And I think that there's sufficient evidence, certainly, to bind a defendant over on counts 1 and 2. I would agree with defense that there is not sufficient evidence as to the ammunition because there was no testimony.